Hi, I'm Nicole Blazer, a sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV, and we are going to go over 13 cool new features on the brand new Winnebago Solis. The Winnebago Solis comes with a European compression loft, which is super easy to use. I'll show you how. They have safety latches that you'll want to release, a T-latch, which gets about a half turn. It then releases. Let's do the other side. So again, we'll just release this. It's almost like a safety buckle. Turn and it releases. There are hydraulic struts that will take over once it gets an initial push and just rises up from there. To bring the loft down, it's just as simple. These two straps help for you just to bring it down initially. When it gets to about here, you want to make sure that that canvas is tucked in behind the latch system. And just as we released it, you want to make sure the latch is connected to that little crossbar, a half turn, and then it does go down all the way. Safety belt latched. This just tightens everything up. Very simple. You have this ladder here. The ladder does break down. It stores nicely up above the cab. So it's got two latches, and then it breaks down into two pieces. I mentioned it has a good storing spot right above the cab, so you can just place it right up there.
To operate the desk, release the barrel catch and lower the folding leg as you lower the table. The table may be slid closer to the galley to be used as an extra prep surface, or you may lift it up and reset it towards the rear of the van so you can enjoy the views from the back of the van. To return the table to its original position, make sure the table is ahead of the crossbar on the bed, fold the leg, and use the barrel catch to secure the table in its location. And when it's time to go to bed, the Murphy bed system can be lowered to provide additional sleeping space. The Winnebago Solis is equipped with a space-saving rear annex. The Annex provides additional living space that comes equipped with a hanging rod and a privacy curtain. So you take the rod and put the four hangers on, and then go to the opposite side. And you pull that up, and then it is square, so you want to be sure to line it up, and you'll pull it tight. So it's all aligned, and it's easier if you put the pin in from the top to the bottom. Then you take the curtain and then you pull it across. And then there are some magnets on the sides. They're little and white for the privacy. You have two of them on each side that'll just hinge to the metal on the door. And then do the same thing on the opposite side. It provides you all the privacy you need.
The Winnebago Solis features innovative storage to provide you all the space you need for your family and friends to take everything you need for your new adventures, whether you be hiking, biking, surfing, skiing.
Stay cool in the new Winnebago Solis. It does not have roof air conditioner, so Winnebago has integrated a variation of screens throughout the coach. These are rear screen doors that simply unattach from the sides, zips down, and provides you with front air or fresh air ventilation. And then on the rear doors, we have these blackout panels that simply zip down for privacy at night, and then you can roll them away to keep it nice and neat. For fresh air ventilation if you left your rear doors open. We also do feature a max air vent, deluxe vent fan above the rear bed here for additional ventilation as well. For additional ventilation, Winnebago features this side screen door. It has zippers on both sides, so you simply zip down each side. It also has a entrance and exit door, easy in and out for you and your pets. It also, when it closes, keeps the bugs out nice and tight. Winnebago is introducing a new technology. They call it a slight glass window. This is actually going to show you the level of your fresh water tank. It's backlit with a nice night light. So at night, you know, if you are looking to get water and you want to know where you're at, you can easily see it. The Solis comes equipped with Winnebago's Eco Hot system. What the system does is flush all the cold water from your hot water lines and routes it back to your fresh water tank. To use the system with your water pump turned on and your water heater in operation, go to the valve at the face of the galley, count to 6, and then you turn it back to normal. While you've had the valve turned on, you'll hear the pump run, and when you turn it back to normal, the pump should stop. You'll now have hot water at all your fixtures without wasting any fresh water.
Located in the right rear of the coach is the multi-purpose water center control panel. The panel includes connections for the hose, hot and cold outside shower, control switch for the water pump, a light that illuminates when the pump is on, switch for the service light on the driver's side of the coach, and the control valves for the panel. Utilizing various functions of the panel involves first setting the valves to the correct positions. The combinations are shown in your owner's manual. You can set it to dry camping, power tank fill, or city water based on how you set up for water at your campsite. In both the water center and the coach entrance, you will find a wash station, which is really convenient to keep the dirt where you want it, outside of the coach.
A new feature on the Winnebago Solis is the automotive grade seating with 3-point seat belts. It provides the guest the option to bring more people and travel more safely.
The Winnebago Solis comes with highly durable laminate front cabinets. They also have these new slam latch systems, which are awesome for your rugged adventures. It also has a magnetic system, so that way your cabinet fronts stay up when you're loading in all of your gear.
The Winnebago Solis was designed for adaptable adventure from ski slope to surfside. The heavy-duty vinyl flooring throughout will assist guests in their adventure. It is highly durable and easy to clean. It'll be easy for you to clean out the sand, snow, or anything else you encounter in your adventure.
The Winnebago Solis comes with a heated wet bath with a cassette toilet, which means you do not have to connect to your dump station at your campsite. It's very easy to dump the cassette toilet. Certainly go to the outside of your coach. It's 5 gallons. Push the white button here, it'll release it. You have a blue little button down in here. You just pull that up. Out will come the dump. As you can see, it does have wheels on the bottom as well as a nice little handle. So you pull up the handle. This would be where you dump it. You can dump it at your RV parks as far as toilet goes, gas stations, any type of thing. So it's very easy to use. You just pull it to where you want to go and dump. Could be out in the outdoors where you want to bury it as well. So easy to use for all functions of how people want to use their motorhome.
The Winnebago Solis comes equipped with a 200-watt flex solar panel to provide off-grid power. The one-panel system is fitted to the top of the pop-top roof for a sleek look and allows you to use your Solis without relying on electrical hookups or a generator for power.
The Winnebago Solis comes equipped with all-weather insulation as well as indoor plumbing to extend your camping season. Keep the sounds of the road at bay as well as the weather at bay with floor-to-ceiling insulation, zipped window coverings, as well as indoor water lines.